Guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to get TikTok famous fast. So basically guys, in order to do this method, you need an iPhone or an Android phone. Basically guys, you need any type of smartphone. And as you guys can see, my username is mike.brown2 and I currently have 50 followers. By the end of the video, I will be showing you guys proof on how you can get TikTok famous. Now make sure you guys watch the video until the end, and I promise you guys you will have a lot of followers by the end of the video. So guys, what you need to do is you need to open up your web browser and you need to head over to this website called viatoolbox.com. Just like this, you guys can write it down or memorize it, but it's called viatoolbox.com. And basically guys, once you are on this website, what you need to do is you need to go down, you need to just basically scroll down and find the TikTok icon, and you need to press the button that says activate. And so guys, it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Over here, you're going to type in your TikTok username and you're going to select what kind of device you are using right now. So if you guys are using an iPhone, click the Apple sign, and if you guys are using an Android, click the Android sign. Now you guys can choose how many followers you want. You can choose all the way to 10,000 followers, or you can go to 100. But basically, I'm going to choose 100 followers for this test. And basically now what it's doing guys is it's connecting to the TikTok servers to get you those free real followers. And basically guys, these are 100% real followers that will like your videos, they will watch your videos. So make sure you guys pick however many followers you want. Personally, I would go for the 10,000, but since this is a test, I wanted to go for the 100. And so guys, sometimes you may or you may not have to do a quick verification. This is just to prove that you're not a robot, because a lot of bots are doing this and abusing the system. So what you need to do here is you need to click verify now. And once you are on this screen, you need to go ahead and read the instructions. So some of the offers say that you have to download and install an app and then run it for 30 seconds. But some of them you have to follow the instructions. So what you do is click free, click tap to install, and you basically read the instructions. It's very, very simple. All you have to do is it'll basically redirect you to the App Store, and you have to find a specific app in the App Store to prove that you are not a bot. And so guys, I was able to find the app. It was the second one, and what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to go ahead and download this app. And once this app is downloaded, what you need to do is you need to open the app and you need to mess around with the app for about 30 seconds. Usually I like to count to 30 in my head, so we can go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Boom guys, you are done step 1. So let's go ahead to step 2. So you need to go back to your web browser and you need to go ahead and do a second one, because it requires us to do 2. So you click free, you click tap to install, and what you guys do is you just download the app. And again guys, once the app is downloaded, you need to go ahead and you need to count to 30 seconds. And basically let's do it together. So once the app is downloaded, we're going to count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Boom guys, you are done. Congratulations, you are now going to be TikTok famous. You will now get thousands and thousands of followers for free, and you guys can do this method continuously, so you can do it over and over again. So if you do like 10,000 today, you can do another 10,000 tomorrow. So all you guys have to do now basically is just wait about an hour to 2 hours to get the free TikTok followers guys, and you will become TikTok famous guys, because like all your videos are gonna blow up from this point on. But now guys, I'm gonna go to sleep, so I'll make part 2 of this video tomorrow after I come home from work. What's up guys? So I just got back home from work and I made sure to go ahead and check my second iPhone, and I opened it up, and basically as you guys can see, I now have 169 followers. I had 50 followers yesterday guys, and as you guys can see, the followers came about 19-ish hours ago. So like an hour or two after I made that video. And so make sure guys that you know that this is the second day around the same time yesterday. And so guys, the followers are here, so you guys can do this with 10,000 followers. So that's how easy it is to get like 10,000 followers, and then you can continually like do this method, and then you can just get like tens and thousands of followers like over and over again until you're at like 100,000 followers. And so guys, I just want to quickly show you the method again, just run it down. Basically what you guys need to do in order to get this method and to get TikTok famous is you need to go over to this website called viatoolbox.com. So I'm gonna put it here for a couple seconds so you guys can just like go grab a pen or paper, or like and like just write it down so it's easier to find. But the website is called viatoolbox.com. Once you guys are on this website, you're gonna go ahead and press activate underneath the TikTok icon, and you're just going to follow the instructions from this point on, guys. It is very, very simple. And also, guys, I just want to mention, if you guys need help doing this method, I'm going to be helping every single person out. So if you guys tried this method on your own at least once and you guys couldn't figure it out, it's all good, guys. Just go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and just comment down below your TikTok username, and I'll just go ahead and do this method for you. Also, guys, be sure to make sure to tell me like how many followers you want. So you could just say like my username is this and I want 10,000 followers, and I'll go ahead and do it for you guys. But I'm gonna make sure that you guys are subscribers before I do that. And so guys,